Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even internal hardware failures. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage or data loss, making it even more challenging to resolve. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power adapter, depending on what the diagnosis reveals. First, ensure your device is powered off. To safely open the Dell XPS, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Carefully insert the plastic spudger into the seam where the base meets the screen, gently prying it open without applying too much pressure to avoid damaging any clips. Once you have the base opened, inspect the battery or power adapter connection. If the battery is the culprit, you should see a connector attached to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out, making sure not to tug on the wires excessively. If it's the power adapter that's faulty, check for any visible damage to the connector. When replacing the battery, align the new one with the connector and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Remember to replace any screws you removed earlier, taking care not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the base, it's time to power on your device to check if the issue is resolved. If the Dell XPS turns on successfully, congratulations, you've completed the repair. To avoid similar issues in the future, ensure your device is charged regularly and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power fluctuations. Additionally, keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.